up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Sapphire here and we are here with a fun video. Remember when I said to you that I'm gonna make you spend your money? Well, this is not the video for that. What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Sapphire here. If you are new to this channel, come in, click subscribe, click like, share a comment, share the video with your family, with your friends, with your neighbor, with your cat, with your dog. If you're not new here, well, thank you for coming back. That means you liked my last video. But today's video is going to be a very fun video. In this year of 2022, we are trying to save our money. We are trying to do big things with our lives. So we are not going to buy frivolous outfits every time we have an event to go to. So as you may know, and if you don't, then maybe you live under a rock, but Valentine's Day is coming. Who knows the meme? Valentine's is coming. Where's your boyfriend?
That's why Valentine is coming. Where's your boyfriend? You are sitting at home. Lonely.
Valentine's Day is coming very quickly, and you may be going out, you may be chilling with your friends, you may be going out with your boyfriend or your girlfriend. So I thought I'd make a video with some clothes that I already have in my wardrobe, and I know that a lot of you probably have similar items in your wardrobes but you just can't think of putting an outfit together. So I decided to give you a hand. If you want some Valentine's Day outfit inspo, then keep watching. So outfit number one. This is for the girls who might be going to the bar with their friends, or they might be going on a date with their mans and they want to look cute and they're not fazed by the weather because honey, it's cold outside, but you don't care. The first outfit that I have is this PLT dress. So it is just a black mini dress. It's got ruching on the front, so this is fluffy girl friendly. And of course I had to pair that with a pink blazer, which I got from River Island. So I have here a nice pink blazer with a nice cute little bag from Zara. It's just a black leather bag. Doesn't fit much inside, but it fits my phone, and you know, if you're going on a date, you don't need a purse anyways. We will pair it with some strappy black heels because we're here to show them legs. This outfit is for the girls, like I said, who don't care about the weather, who want to look cute, who want to look sexy, who are going on their dates. If you don't have a mini black dress, you need to get one. So sticking with the theme of cute mini dresses, we are going to move on to outfit number two. For this outfit, I have a cute mini brown dress. This again is from PLT. It has ruching down the sides and it has these little tie-up string things. I would pair this with the same strappy black heels, and then so that it actually looks like I'm going somewhere. The girls that know. Okay, I've wanted to say that phrase for a while. We have this long brown trench from Asos. So the girls that are, you know, coming in from work, you're in a rush, you have to look cute, you have to look sexy, but you don't want to try too hard. This outfit is for you because all you're doing is putting on a plain dress, some heels, and this long trench coat that will make you look like you're going places. Let's go to outfit number three. This is actually my favorite outfit. So we have some leather pants. These are skinny leg leather trousers. I got these from Topshop, so they're not real leather, they're leather, but they're really stretchy, they're super comfortable, and if you don't own any, I recommend you get some. I'm sure they sell them in Zara, PLT, Misguided, Asos, like the whole world sells them. And then I have paired them with my favorite blazer. So this blazer here is from Misguided. Now you're probably thinking, where's your top? And this is why, it's for the bad bees. you do not need a top. And then also this little bag, you can kind of, it's hard to see, but it's a pink and gold bag that I actually got from Zara. If you want to get robbed, this is the bag for you, because hide your money, girls, you can see. Okay, let's move on to the next outfit. I've actually lost count. Are we on 4? I think we're on 4. So this outfit is more chilled vibes. However, it is still dressy enough for you to wear out, maybe to a cocktail bar or to a nice casual type dinner. You can wear it with heels or you can wear it with trainers. Who remembers the organza trend? That's what it's called. The organza trend. Well, I'm bringing it back because I like it. I don't really see people wearing tops like this, but this is a top I got from PLT. It is just a ribbed jumper with the meshy type of sleeves. You could wear a jumper like this if you have one. If you don't, you can wear like a turtleneck if you wanted to, or you could wear like a vest bodysuit, so one with like skinny straps. That would look really cute with it. It's basically nice top and jeans vibes. And here are the jeans. So we have some straight leg, wide leg jeans from Asos with ripped knees. Again, pair it with a nice jacket. You could wear like a trench coat with some strappy heels, or if you don't want to wear heels, you could wear some trainers like some Jordan 1. This outfit is very chilled, very casual. Like I said, you can dress it up, dress it down. You can wear it on a date night, you can wear it with your girls. But it is for the girls that just want to be comfy, because it's jeans and a nice top. Like, who doesn't like to wear jeans and a nice top? I know I do. We are on outfit number 5, I think it is. We got some leather trousers. So I got these from Primark. These are like taper-legged leather trousers. They're more loose fitting. And they have like, what's this called? Paper bag style. So they have like the ruching at the top. I paired it with this knitted vest top from Zara. It's just a black knitted vest. It has like a zippy part, so if you wanted to show some cleavage, then you can do that. But if I wanted to dress this up, I would wear this with some heels. So you could wear just some strappy black heels, because that's like the only shoe I basically own. Or you could wear it with some mules. I think with mules that would look really, really cute. Or maybe I should wear that. Ooh. I mean, if you want to know what I wear when I go to dinner, I suggest you follow me on Instagram at @Martinique, and we'll find out what I actually wear, because at this point I want to wear every single outfit and change in the toilet. Okay, moving on to our next outfit. We have a cute turtleneck bodysuit. So this is a marble bodysuit that I got from PLT. Another pair of jeans. Another pair of straight leg jeans, and I got these from Asos. And also I would pair this with a trainer. Here's what I got earlier. But these trainers are great. Does anyone else have the issue where when they're wearing platforms their ankle goes? Because mine does that and it's really irritating. They are so comfortable. They're wide enough for your foot. They are not too high, but they give you short girls, or should I say us short girls, some height. Next few outfits are going to be more casual vibes. So I have a Co-ord. So I have this turtleneck top, which is cute and it's kind of cropped, paired with these wide leg brown ribbed trousers. These two actually go together. I got them from Misguided, but yeah, I would pair these with the Puma trainers that I showed earlier. I would wear like a cute trench coat. I could wear that dark brown one. On to our last outfit. I know you wish you could stay for longer, me too. But don't worry, more's coming. For our last outfit, this is a vibe that I've seen on Instagram so many times. These ripped jeans from Asos. So these are like straight leg jeans, but they're super duper baggy. And they have these gigantic holes where it's basically like you're not wearing any trousers. Yeah, that's the vibe I'm going for. I also have this cream cardigan, which I got from Asos. but you could wear literally whatever cardigan you want with some ripped jeans, and that looks really, really cute. So yeah, we have now come to the end of the road. Sorry, it's when I get to say these things I think of songs. But anyways, we've come to the end of the video. I hope that if you had no idea what you were going to wear for Valentine's Day, you now have some sort of idea of what you want to wear, and that I have helped you in some way. If I haven't helped you in any way, I hope you just enjoyed watching the video, and if you have, subscribe, because I have more coming your way. If you haven't enjoyed this video, still subscribe, because I have more coming your way. We have a variety of videos coming to our channel. If you haven't watched my last video, then please go to my channel, give it a watch. I'm sure you will enjoy that too. Thank you for watching. Until next time, guys, I will catch you on the other side. Enjoy your Valentine's Day. Make sure you have fun. Make sure you are happy. Make sure you are smiling. And make sure no one ruins your day.